Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and I have yet another lens unboxing video. Today I'm going to unbox what I consider probably my workhorse lens for my new Nikon Z6 Mark III camera body. This one is my old Nikon D800 and it is tried and true, and it is solid, but it is 13 and a half years old. I used to use this lens a lot, which is the Nikon 24 to 70 millimeters. And this was my workhorse, but this thing is heavy. So I want to show you guys my new lens that I bought. It's going to be my new workhorse, and here it is today. It is the Nikkor Z 24 to 120 f4. It's the S mount lens for my new Nikon Z6 Mark III body. Let me move some of these lenses out of the way. And we'll do a little comparison in a second, but let's open the box here and unbox it. In case you guys are wondering if this lens is going to be any good, I had it highly recommended by one of my colleagues, and he thinks it's going to be a great lens for me. I did some reviews, online reviews, and everything seems like it is a really good lens. My other unboxing of my 14 to 30, there used to be an instruction manual, had the serial number for the warranty, but I'm not sure where this is. So he's going to be a little bit worried that maybe this was a used item. Oh, nope. They put it down there instead. So this is the warranty information here. All right. And here's the user manual. Perfect. Going to read that. Let's take a look in here. Oh, these, again, just like the 14 to 30 lens, it comes with this cool lens cleaning, I guess, slight pouch for the lens. And it has this Nikkor stitching, which is super nice. Definitely makes it worth it. This feels like the hood for the lens here. Yep, the hood here, nice and simple, not too big. My other ones used to be very, very big. If you want to see the comparison between this one and my old 24 to 70, whoo, look at that. This thing is twice as big, monster, obnoxious, adds more weight, of course, but take a look at that, man. This thing is just a dwarf compared to it. But good, I like it because it's more compact, easier to travel with when I do photography, when I travel, and good for all around. Alrighty, let's get to the lens here now, guys. Everything you've been waiting for is right here. This has a bit more range than my old 24 to 70, but in comparison, it feels about maybe a little lighter so far, but lengthwise probably a little shorter, if not the same. Let's take a look. Well, here's the lens first. Yes, the Nikkor 24 to 120 f4. F4, yeah, a little slow, but I think I can make it work. I'm not sure what this L function, but I'll read the manual. Of course, this is autofocus versus manually focus, up to 120, sweet. Has a nice 77 millimeter diameter lens here, so I do definitely have filters and things like that I use. You can see it's diameter 77, pretty cool. Nice lens cap. Yeah, good amount of weight. I think it's at least a pound and a half. You can look at the specifications online. But yeah, these lenses, man, this is way bigger than my old stuff in comparison. But let's take a look at the two. You know, look, there's actually, I guess that's not really fair because I think I have oh, no, I thought I had a filter on there, but I don't. So let's see. It is definitely longer by maybe about a good inch. Of course, it has a huge lens cap here. But if I take that off and you can kind of compare the two, it's almost the same length, maybe an inch to a half, 3/4 of an inch shorter. And I think the old one, the 24 to 70, is slightly heavier than the new one. But with the camera body being only a pound, and this, let's say, is 2 pounds, because I know this is a good 2 pounds, then I'm out of 3 pound worth of weight there. But so far, this looks really nice. All right, if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments. I'd be happy to get back to you. If you like this type of content, and I will want notifications about future release of videos, please like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. I'm trying to grow my channel. If you have any questions, again, leave me in the comments and I'll get back to you. Thanks, everyone. Thanks for joining me on my journey. Thanks. Bye-bye.